Siblings can become the best of friends or the worst of rivals. As parents, we hold the key to shaping how our children connect and treat each other. A home filled with love, respect, and mutual support serves as the solid foundation for building lifelong sibling bonds. However, the bond between siblings doesn't happen naturally. It requires intentional parenting, a deep understanding of child development, and a consistent effort to create an environment that encourages cooperation, empathy, and respect. When parents take the time to understand the factors that influence sibling relationships, from birth order to emotional needs, we can guide our children to build positive and lasting connections. Nurturing, loving sibling relationships not only helps children grow up happy, but also equips them with essential social skills needed to succeed in life. This journey starts with you, the parent. Chapter 1: The Psychology of Sibling Relationships. Sibling relationships are greatly influenced by early life experiences. Birth order affects personality. For example, firstborn children tend to take on leadership roles, middle children are often peacemakers, and youngest children are usually more carefree. Additionally, John Bowlby's attachment theory suggests that when parents provide love and security, children will form positive relationships with their siblings. Understanding these factors helps parents foster lasting sibling bonds. Chapter 2: Modeling the behavior you want to see in your children. Children primarily learn by observing their parents' behavior. If you want your children to act with love and respect, you must set an example. Speak kindly, be polite, and show patience. Don't hesitate to apologize when you're wrong, and always show empathy towards others. Avoid favoritism among your children and praise effort rather than comparison. Your fair and kind actions will guide your children to model those behaviors in their sibling relationships. Chapter 3: Teaching teamwork, not competition. Many sibling conflicts stem from a competitive mindset. To reduce this, parents need to create a family culture that values teamwork. Assign tasks that require cooperation, like baking or cleaning together. Praise teamwork rather than individual accomplishments, and avoid comparing your children. When they understand that the family is a team, they will learn to support each other, not compete, thus strengthening their sibling bonds. Chapter 4: Creating opportunities for sibling bonding. To build strong sibling relationships, parents should create opportunities for their children to bond. Family activities like playing games, telling stories, or going on outings not only create shared memories, but also strengthen sibling connections. Encourage joint projects, such as cooking or building toys, to teach them cooperation. Occasionally, allowing them to sleep in each other's rooms also helps naturally strengthen their bond. Chapter 5: Teaching emotional intelligence and conflict resolution. Siblings often fight due to difficulties in managing emotions. Teaching children to identify and manage their emotions can reduce arguments. Encourage them to name their feelings, e.g., "I feel angry because." Teach them to listen actively to each other and regulate their emotions before responding. Show them how to resolve conflicts constructively, for example, by asking, "How can we solve this together?" Chapter 6: Encouraging responsibility for each other. When siblings see each other as teammates instead of rivals, they naturally begin to care for and support one another. Parents can encourage older children to help younger ones with simple tasks, such as carrying items or taking care of pets. Also, encourage them to check in on each other's emotions and offer support when someone feels down. Praise these acts of kindness, no matter how small, to help children understand that caring for siblings is an important part of family love. Chapter 7: Resolving conflicts the right way. Conflicts are inevitable between siblings, but how they are resolved determines the strength of their relationship. Parents need to set clear rules: no shouting, no name-calling, and no physical aggression. Encourage a cool-down period before discussing the issue. Teach them how to solve problems collaboratively, such as asking, "How can we fix this together?" This helps children learn to handle conflicts constructively. Chapter 8: Avoiding labeling and favoritism. Labeling and favoritism can easily break sibling relationships. Avoid calling children the smart one or the troublemaker, as this can create feelings of discrimination and hurt sibling bonds. Instead, praise each child for their unique strengths without making the other feel inferior. Spend one-on-one time with each child to strengthen your personal bond and ensure fairness and love are equally shared. Chapter 9, Teaching the Value of Support and Celebration. Siblings should be each other's biggest cheerleaders, not competitors. Parents need to encourage children to celebrate each other's successes, helping them understand that one person's success doesn't mean another's failure. Make it a family habit to celebrate individual achievements together. This not only boosts self-confidence, but also strengthens sibling relationships, creating a supportive and loving family environment. Chapter 10, Leading with Love and Consistency. A loving sibling relationship doesn't form overnight. It requires patience and consistency from parents. To help children develop strong family bonds, parents should regularly reinforce positive principles and teach about unconditional love, forgiveness, and patience. By modeling these behaviors, you help children understand that family love is forever and should be nurtured and protected throughout life. Conclusion: nurturing loving and supportive sibling relationships is one of the greatest gifts you can give your children. However, this doesn't happen naturally. It requires patience, love, and consistency in guiding your children. Every day, small actions like respect, cooperation, and constructive conflict resolution will help children understand the value of family and sibling bonds. It's essential to create a family environment filled with love, respect, and mutual support. When children feel safe and loved, they will learn to care for and support each other. This process may take time, but as they grow, sibling relationships will become one of the most meaningful and lasting connections in their lives. Keep persevering, and you will see the wonderful results of nurturing these relationships. Your children will grow up in a loving, supportive, and inspiring environment.